How can one make parenting a teenager from a stressful task into a life-shaping journey? The teenage phase is one of the most challenging times both for the child as well as the parent. This is the age when children start thinking independently, discovering their identity, developing their interests, and forming their own belief systems. Parents in turn start to feel that this exploration is causing their sweet child to pull away and be disobedient and difficult on all fronts. Panic sets in, and many parents try harder than usual to tame an already confused child. The result? Anger, chaos, and resentment. So how does one parent teenagers and ensure they don't lose their way? You can start by emulating teachers at school. Despite having to face a class full of unruly teenagers, teachers still manage to stay cool and in control. How do they do it? By setting smooth yet strict rules. These rules should give them adequate guidance and yet be flexible enough so that when a teenager makes mistakes, they learn from them. Here are some to get you started. Rules for chores. Part of the house, part of the chore. Emphasize to your teen everyone in the house is responsible for specific chores and that everyone must pitch in to help out. Most teens don't take the initiative to lend a hand, but this is a great way for them to get started. Rules for healthy habits. Be it related to hygiene, room cleanliness, responsibility for their stuff, mental care, physical or emotional health. Forming productive habits is a great way to enforce discipline and form reliable routines. This will keep them calm and grounded even as life starts becoming unpredictable as they grow older. Rules for broken trust. For a teenager, rules are meant to be broken. As a parent, expect them to toe the line regularly. Without losing your temper, sternly tell them that if they break a rule, there will be consequences. They have to go back and start building your trust again, not just in words, but through action and changed behavior. Rules on morality. Moral values determine what kind of a person your teen is growing up to be. So these rules should pretty much be laws. The simplest ones should include tell the truth and apologize when you do wrong. But of course, when it comes to morality, children pick up a lot from observing you. Rules on safety. When you have a teen that's trying to be a grown-up, it's important you set rules down regarding their safety. When they are going out with friends or are running late, make sure they know they are to keep you informed at all times. Once you gain confidence in their decision making, you may ease up a little. But if they do end up breaking your trust, you start at the beginning. Rules on communication. Let your child know that they are to keep you informed about what's happening in their lives, whether they are comfortable with it or not. This will later help develop a deeper bond between you two. But in their teenage years, it'll help to know if they are struggling with peer pressure or any other aspect of growing up. Rules on curfew. While there is a thrill to staying out and exploring the world, late nights do have an adverse effect on their health, studies, and general well-being. Set a reasonable curfew and bedtime that they must adhere to. This rule may be a tough one to enforce, but explaining the reasons behind your concern may be helpful. Rules on social skills. Human interactions are crucial for the overall growth, development, and lives of children. They dictate how easy or difficult their relationships will be. So enforce rules that govern these interactions, like knock before entering a closed room or seek permission before you borrow someone else's belongings. Rules on responsibility. To err is to be human. Expect your child to make mistakes just as we all do. But it is what we do after realizing the mistake that determines our strength of character. Teach your teen that mistakes are okay as long as they take responsibility for their actions when things go wrong. And when they do, kids, just as all of us, must do what is necessary to remedy it. Implement these rules and observe the changes it brings in your relationship with your child.